what's up everybody? It's Taikina Beauty. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna bring something new and fun to my channel, which is nails. DIY your own nails. This is really easy. I'm super lazy when it comes to doing my nails. Why not just glue them on? This was inspired by Taikina. All you need are some acrylic fake press-on nails that you like. I'll link the ones I got, but they're sold out. And you need a cuticle pusher, some Kiss gel, nail glue I got from Amazon, and you're going to need a nail file and some clippers to shape and clip your nails. Sometimes your nails might be longer than the press-ons that you have, so you want to clip them. And you probably would need a nail filer to either nail file your own nails or nail file the fake nails, but I'm not going to do that because I will butcher them. And you're going to need alcohol pads, alcohol liquid, and cotton swabs to clean your nails. I already washed my nails and cleaned them. Throughout this video you're going to see lotion under my nail, under my pinky nail. I do apologize, I guess I didn't see it when I was doing my nails, but after I washed my hands I did put lotion on so I wasn't ashy on camera. And yeah, this is what happened. But we're gonna cut the nail cuticles. I'm so annoyed because I don't like cutting my new cuticles. I do not like going to the nail salon and they do it because 9 times out of 10 they cut and tear my skin. I believe you shouldn't, but I wanted to try this for you guys to see if it did look better, and I do think it actually did look better when I did push my nail cuticles back. I think that's the purpose of doing it. Then next we're gonna file my nails. I filed my nails like this because when you don't do that, it's gonna look crazy. I was filing my nails because the way my nails are shaped, they wouldn't fit on the nail, if that makes sense. Now we're gonna test out and see. It's looking cute already with the push cuticle back. So I'm gonna do it again. Please be careful while you guys are cutting your cuticles. It is really easy to hurt yourself. Now we're going to apply the Kiss nail glue. I do like it. These nails last for about 1.5 weeks and they started to fall off. Now, disclaimer, they did pop on and off, some of them, depending on the ones you use the most. Like my pointer finger, my thumb did fall off. Basically the fingers you will use a lot, they will pop off. I'm not used to having long nails. I have to use a keyboard at my job. I had to use my nails, those fake nails, with the keyboard, and that was really difficult, and I know that would help aid in the nails coming off. But we're going to keep going. I really like these nails. I'm not sure the person I purchased this from, I don't know if they painted them. I think they did. I think they like made the acrylic nail, brushed them, painted them, and did the design. I have no idea how she did this swirly design. It's so beautiful. I loved it. It's gorgeous. I've never had nails like this. I really like the shape too as well. I seriously wasn't too sure which nail went on which. I thought the pointer finger design, special design, went on the middle finger. I don't know, but you can definitely switch it up depending on what size each fingernail is, because nobody has the same fingernail sizes. Everyone's is different. I really thought that went there. I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment down below what you think, which color should have went on which finger. I have no idea. I'm definitely gonna act accordingly and just put each nail that fits on each nail fingernail, if that makes sense. But these are really fun and easy, you guys. This was a requested video. Someone asked me on my Instagram where did I get my nails done at, so I just wanted to make a video for them. I have 2 more requested videos that are coming right up, so keep them coming. Well, actually 3 now. You guys are like keeping me busy. What is up? I love it. Keep this energy. Back to the nails. I'm pressing it down for a while. You want to press for at least 10 to 20 seconds. I did 10. I did 20-second on some that I thought were gonna pop off, like the pinky. I don't know why, because the pinkies took forever to come off. Taking these off was kind of scary for me, and I was nervous, but I soaked them in acetone. You can get that on Amazon. I'm really sad, you guys, because at the moment in time, I am not shopping at Target. I have a bone to pick with Target. When the protests were going on in Minneapolis, they were supporting the Minneapolis police, and they were actually funding the Minneapolis police. So I'm not shopping at Target, and it really does, it's hitting me right now because I always shop at Target. But I'm finding other alternatives to shop at, and if you guys do want that, please let me know. There are some brands that are at Target that you can find at other places. If you guys want to know about that, I could make a video on that. These nails look so good. Oh my goodness, I've never had nails this long. I did not know how to function. I could not comb my hair. What do you guys do when you guys have long nails? I have no idea, but I really liked them. They made me feel cute. I loved them. I'm lying. I had round nails at prom, and I absolutely hated them. What I like about these press-on nails, they do look like acrylic because I think they are acrylic nails. But when you get your nails done at the salon with acrylic, it hurts. Nobody tells you that it's gonna hurt. You'll get like that aching pain. It hurts, and I just don't want to deal with that. I seriously sat there like a baby because I was in so much pain from the achingness of the acrylic. It was so weird. Interesting feeling if you guys ever felt that. But yeah, now we're going on to the other hand, and we're going to clip these cuticles. I didn't get a shot of me clipping all the cuticles because I put my hand off camera. This was really hard trying to film this, but I was able to establish something. The setup of how I set the camera up was, well, my phone was so funny. I wish I took a picture of that. I mean, I couldn't because it was my phone. But we're gonna cut those cuticles. It's gonna take some time to perfect me cutting cuticles because it is pretty hard to cut them without cutting your skin. I think that's why when you get them done at the salon, it's very easy to, and it makes you bleed. But we're definitely gonna put these nails on. I like them a lot. I think I'm gonna do them again. If you guys want more nail videos, please like and comment and even subscribe because I might bring this around. I do my own nails. All the nails you guys do see on my Instagram in my pictures, they're all done by me. I stopped going to the nail salon because I get treated really bad in the nail salons. For some reason, I don't know why, I get really treated bad. I was in a car accident, and then my friend, she took me to go get my nails done the next day, and we got treated really horrible, and that experience was so bad. And every time I do try to go to a nail salon and get a special design, they don't do it right. So I'm just gonna take the liberty to do it myself. My mom and my sisters, they do nails. They do it better than me. They do it as a hobby. So I was like, why don't I just take on the family thing and just do it? But yeah, so I'm finishing up my nails. It's pretty simple and easy, just a 1, 2, 3 step. This took under 20 minutes to do, which is right up my alley, especially if you're a busy person. I love these nails a lot, the color and the concept. You guys definitely should try this at home. This is really super easy, and it's really cheap. I only paid $12 for these nails plus $5 for shipping, so $15 in total, whereas I would have paid $50 plus for a nail acrylic set and this design. So I probably would have paid $100 just to get my nails done, and they probably wouldn't have lasted long. Balling on the budget, I'm all here for it. And I only paid like $4 for the nail glue on Amazon, and it got here within 2 days. You can't go wrong. But nonetheless, thank you guys so much for watching. Here is the final result. It looks so good. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice. I'll see you later.